This doesn't take long, man. Let me see that head. Okay. Dude! The head's big.
Come on!
No! Oh my god, it's a person!
Time's a wasting.
My world!
I don't have enough feet to pay for this time, Chris.
Okay. I can't do it.
Go, Chris!
You do it.
Or shut up.
Hey Matt, come down here and scoot that a little bit closer.
Are you gonna do it or not?
I'm gonna do it, but I don't want my feet belled now and then get hit by this skateboard in the face and then going on Rob Dyrdek's ridiculousness. I can't do it still.
Boy, shut up.
This dude.
You shut up, Matt. You're being mean to your sister.
Chris, shut up!
I'm about to do it! I was about to do it! I was thinking in my head, should I do it? Hey! I'm gonna jump off this car roof and land on a skateboard! If I do it, you should give me $1.
You are so petty, you know that.
You should have zoomed in on that guy.
Watch! Hey! Watch this! Watch this!
Do it right now so he sees.
Which way is it coming?
What?
What are you doing?
What? What?
That's what Morris's drum thing.
I don't care.
You're stealing it.
Do it!
I was about to. I was really about to. Oh, what hands? Oh! Oh!